Let's dismantle and reassemble the Delfin Esla unit. There's also a couple of maintenance and cleaning tips for you.
Before beginning disassembly, ensure the rollers are properly aligned. Navigate to the settings page and select manual rollers alignment. Proper alignment will make it easier and safer to remove the rolling pins. Remove the protective cover. Loosen the side fasteners, securing the wire cut plate or rotary nozzle plate. Support the plate from underneath and carefully pull it away. Never place the rotary plate with the nozzles facing down on the bench. This can damage the nozzles. Remove the hopper cover. Loosen and remove 4 fasteners securing the hopper. Lift and remove the hopper. Remove the 2 hopper supports from both ends. Remove both rollers one at a time while lifting them straight up from the end pieces. Loosen and remove the hopper support fasteners. Remove the bottom hopper support. Unscrew and remove the brass nozzle tighteners by pulling them upward. Every second row rotates in opposite direction. Remove all nozzles. Unscrew and remove the 8 small black screws, securing the cover to the plate body. Gently lift and remove the cover with an upward motion. Remove the white and blue gears. Wash them carefully in a water no warmer than 40 degrees. Do not wash the bronze gears in water. They contain ball bearings that can be damaged. Once fully dismantled, clean all parts thoroughly and reassemble the unit by following these steps in reverse order. Clean the rotary nozzle plate after every shift to ensure smooth gear movement and proper machine function. Now, let's put it back together. Place the bottom hopper support and secure it with the fasteners. Install the rolling pins, placing each one onto the bottom support. Attach the hopper supports on both ends. Reinstall the hopper and secure it using the 4 fastener pieces. Add the hopper cover. Place the rotary nozzle plate or wire cut mold into the machine by gently sliding it into the position while supporting it with your hand. You'll know it's correctly placed when the end screw touches the bottom hopper cover. If the screw isn't close enough, try realigning the gears until the plate fits properly. Once aligned, continue supporting the plate and tighten the 4 fastener screws on the right side to secure it in place. Reattach the protective cover.